massive development with both economic and strategic significance. The Modi government is planning to offer an incentive package worth $10 billion or 76,000 crores to semiconductor manufacturers. The incentive package will be spread over the next 6 years and will boost the manufacturing of semiconductor chips. This incentive comes at a time when the whole world is grappling with the semiconductor chip shortage caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. The COVID-19 pandemic and the resulting lockdown forced most of the manufacturing units to shut down in the US and China, thereby creating a supply crunch. The semiconductor shortage has affected many industrial sectors all over the globe, especially the manufacturing of televisions, computers, smartphones, and even automobiles. With the global supply chain affected by these disruptions, companies in diverse sectors are either cutting back production or even driving up costs. With this fresh Atmanirbhar push, the Modi government aims to invite global semiconductor manufacturing companies to set up chip production facilities in India. TSMC, Intel, and AMD are reportedly some of the companies that are part of the discussion. India's massive potential for semiconductor manufacturing can ease supply chain constraints and assist the various sectors that have been impacted by the shortage. The move also has immense strategic and geopolitical significance and will help counter China's ambitions to become a dominant force in the semiconductor industry. Chinese companies currently face sanctions against the manufacturing of semiconductors, giving India a natural advantage. There is a large and fast-growing market for semiconductors globally. Sectors like defense, auto, and 5G technology also find semiconductors integral to their supply chain. In India alone, demand for semiconductors is expected to reach $100 billion by 2025 from the current $24 billion. The Modi government wants India's semiconductor industry to cash in on this huge demand that can go on for several decades. At present, India meets its semiconductor demand exclusively from imports. Made in India chips can not only reduce our own chip dependence on China, but also that of the entire world. India is already the world's second largest mobile phone manufacturer, second only to China. With the advent of semiconductor production in the country, India will soon become a one-stop shop for tech manufacturing. The Modi government's step to incentivize semiconductor manufacturing will position India as the world's leading semiconductor manufacturer in the post-COVID world. In the coming years, Indians can expect auxiliary products like laptops, smartphones, and other commodities that depend on semiconductors to become more affordable as the country phases out import costs of semiconductors and sources end-to-end manufacturing of these products locally. From thwarting China's geopolitical goals to setting up an Atmanirbhar semiconductor industry, PM Modi is ensuring that India wins the global race for tech supremacy.